In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Monday.com automation. Whether you're new to Monday.com or just looking to streamline your workflows, setting up automations can transform how you manage your projects, ensuring that tasks are executed smoothly and efficiently. So, let's get started. First things first, let's begin by heading over to the Monday.com homepage. Once you're there, navigate to the board you want to work with. This is your starting point. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area, as it's where the magic happens. You'll be spending quite a bit of time here, so understanding the layout and features is crucial. Now, the key to setting up an automation lies in the Automate button, strategically positioned at the top right corner of your screen. Give it a click, and a list of options will appear. To create something that suits your specific needs, select Add Custom Automation. This handy feature allows you to craft your processes exactly how you envision them. As you embark on creating your custom automation, the first task is to choose a trigger. Click on When this happens to bring up a drop-down menu showcasing a variety of trigger options. For illustration purposes, let's select Date Arrives. This will allow us to trigger an action when a specific date comes around, making it a perfect fit for deadline-based tasks. Now that we've got our trigger, it's crucial to decide on the necessary conditions to accompany it. Because our trigger involves a date, you'll want to initiate an action when that date arrives. To do this, click on When and configure the date and time settings aptly. Also, it's important to specify which column holds the date information we're concerned with. So, go ahead and choose the date column for this purpose. Once your trigger is in place, the next step is determining what action should follow. Click on Then Do This and opt for Change Status from the drop-down list. It's a straightforward option that makes your workflow intuitive and responsive. You'll want to make sure to click Change Status so that it highlights the appropriate status column. At this stage, define the desired outcome by selecting the status change you wish to enact. For our example, let's select Done. This will mark tasks complete once their due date is reached, helping you keep on top of deadlines effortlessly. Finally, once everything is set up to your liking, the last step is to click on Create Automation. This final action embeds your custom automation into the board, ensuring your workflow is dynamic and responsive to the triggers and actions you've configured. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up an automation on Monday.com. Embrace this newfound efficiency and keep exploring the myriad options at your fingertips to further optimize your work processes. Thank you for watching and happy automating.